Slow motion movies can preserve charming footage of unrehearsed events. Recording slow motion movies with Z50 is a snap. To record slow motion movies, select a slow motion option for frame size, frame rate in the movie shooting menu. Any of these three options can be used for slow motion movie recording. The 30p, 25p, and 24p in the option names refer to the number of frames per second. Here we'll choose 30p times 4 slow motion. Select Movie Mode and press the Movie Record button to start recording. Recording ends when the button is pressed a second time. We've recorded a movie that plays back at 1/4 speed. Use the slow motion movie feature to create charming slow motion footage.